DELMIA's structure production preparation solution for the marine and offshore industry is a powerful 3D solution for fabrication planning. The automatic creation of manufacturing features and workshop documents enables shipyards to deliver faster and right the first time. Shipbuilding is an expensive process in a competitive marketplace. Every stage of development is squeezed for time, from concept to commissioning. Leveraging the highly collaborative 3D experience platform, DELMIA provides shipyards the ability to produce right the first time. Powerful capabilities for automatic plate nesting, feature-based weld planning, and rule-driven production drawing generation for both part manufacturing and assembly tasks minimizes construction errors and increases project efficiency. With DELMIA's structure production preparation solution, shipyards can save costly man-hours and materials by automatically generating high-quality production information, leading to greater accuracy, less scrap and rework, and full utilization of workshop machines.